crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Here's how to make perfect fries at home. All you need is potatoes, cooking oil, and a little seasoning. Let's get started. Start by peeling each potato. Once peeled, rinse the potatoes under cold water. Slice each potato into thick, even planks. Then cut each plank into thin fry strips. Soak the fries in cold water for 10 minutes to remove excess starch. Drain them well, then pat them completely dry with a clean towel. Heat the oil in a deep pan until it's hot and shimmering. Carefully lower the fries into the oil, working in small batches. The first fry is done at a lower temperature to cook the potatoes through. After about 3 minutes, remove the fries from the oil. Place them on a cooling rack and let them rest. Resting is the secret to getting extra crispy fries. Now increase the oil temperature for the second fry. Carefully return the rested fries to the hot oil. This second fry creates the crispy, golden exterior. Cook for about 2 more minutes until they're deep golden brown. Remove the fries once they're perfectly golden. Drain any excess oil on paper towels. Transfer the fries to a clean serving bowl. While they're still hot, sprinkle on the cheese powder. Gently toss until every fry is evenly coated. Look at that beautiful golden crispy coating. And just like that, you've made restaurant-style fries right at home. Perfectly crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. That crunch says it all. Give this recipe a try and let me know how yours turned out. Subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.